Welcome to the Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video here, I'll show you how to turn off screen distance on your iPhone running iOS 17. So screen distance is a new feature in iOS 17 where it basically uses the true depth camera to detect when you hold your iPhone closer than 12 inches for an extended period of time and encourages you to move it further away. So this is basically to avoid damaging your eyes. So if you're one of those users who like to watch videos or play games in the night and you constantly get this message, let me show you how to turn it off. So first you want to go into settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see screen time. Here you want to tap on screen distance. And now from here you want to go ahead and toggle the switch to the left hand side for screen distance. Once you do this, screen distance will be turned off for your iPhone. And there you go, that is how to turn off screen distance on your iPhone running iOS 17. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.